Welcome back, Certain Fitness Gang. Today we're going to talk about the 6 things that you need to do before you start your workout program. So the big one that everybody knows about is getting a doctor's medical clearance before you start exercising. Ian and I both use the American College of Sports Medicine. We use their recommendations, their guidelines, and I'm just going to go over those super quick. We'll do a little picture-in-picture so you can see what I'm reading off of right here. I'm not going to read over every single one of these. This information can be found online, as well as if you just pause this video, you can actually run through this yourself. But some of the big things are any of your health history, and the main thing there is any heart problems or any heart problems in your immediate family. So if you've had a male ancestor under the age of 55 die of any kind of heart-related conditions, you definitely need to see a doctor. If it's a female, so sister, mother, grandmother who is under the age of 65, you definitely need to go see a doctor. Also, symptoms, run through those really quickly. Any kind of chest discomfort, any kind of unreasonable breathlessness, so if you're just doing regular day-to-day activities and you get breathless, see a doctor. Dizziness, fainting, any kind of passing out, definitely see a doctor. Ankle swelling, as well as awareness of any kind of rapid heart rate. So if you're just going through your daily activities, you get a rapid heart rate, definitely go see a doctor. I'm going to skim down. One of the biggest things that we need to talk about is if you have any concerns about an increase of physical activity or exercise, just get the peace of mind, just go see your doctor. I'm going to send it over to Ian to talk about why are you even exercising in the first place.
Hey everyone, I just wanted to talk about goal setting and why we need to be a little more in-depth with our goals moving forward. I wanted to introduce SMART goals, and SMART goals they help us create better goals than, say, your typical I want to lose weight. That's a goal, yes, but it's not a very good goal. You want to use a couple of these steps just to try to be a little more in depth with your goal and make it easier for you to achieve these goals. So with SMART goals, SMART is an acronym. The S stands for a specific goal. Taking that I want to lose weight. We'll use that as the example going forward. We want to be specific with it. How much weight do you want to lose? I want to lose, I don't know, let's say 15 pounds. And that's better than saying, I want to lose weight. M stands for measurable. And we added that in there saying, I want to lose 15 pounds. You're using pounds to measure how much progress you're making towards that goal. The A stands for attainable. The A and the R, they kind of go together in my opinion, whether it's attainable. Can I actually achieve losing 15 pounds? Realistic, same sort of deal. Do you think that it's realistic that I'm going to lose 15 pounds? And then T, it stands for time-based or timely, and you want to make sure that you set a goal for when you're going to accomplish this by. Wedding season coming around the corner. You want to say, I want to lose 15 pounds by my buddy's wedding in October or something like that. Whether it's reasonable that you're going to lose that weight in a smart way. Realistically speaking, a goal weight loss should be about a pound per week. Anything more than that, it just becomes where you're going to not be able to maintain that in the long run, and it's usually done by not super healthy lifestyle changes. It's usually done really quick, and then you're going to have issues with it later on, just trying to maintain that weight loss. If you look at people who have done the Biggest Loser contest, they'll lose tons and tons of weight in a couple weeks. A majority of them, they regain that weight loss because they can't maintain how crazy those lifestyle changes are. So whenever you're making a goal, you want to make sure that you're going to be able to maintain your changes long term. In my opinion, one of the biggest things that's often glossed over or skipped whenever you're starting a workout program is trying to figure out your body's imbalances or not very good movement patterns. And one of the easy ways to get through that or get over it is to get with a health fitness professional and go through a screening really quick.
Yes, absolutely. I cannot agree more. So regardless of your daily physical activity level, regardless of your fitness level, everyone should be doing some sort of movement screening before you start your workout program. And that's to identify, like Ian said, any imbalances or any weaknesses that you may have that may lead to an injury state down the road. Not only should you be doing those before you start your workout plan, you should be doing those at every single checkup. If you have access to a personal fitness trainer, ask them if they are certified to do a FMS or functional movement screening. If you don't have access to a trainer, that's okay. We can do your functional movement screening virtually. That's all we have to do is send you a couple of movements. You do those from a couple different angles, send us those videos, and we can do the movement screening virtually. This next one is very short and to the point. You want to create and do a corrective-based dynamic warm-up based on the information that we found in your movement screening. And you want to do that every single day. It's going to correct those imbalances, those weaknesses that we found, and it's also going to be in line with what your goals are and your current physical fitness level. Number 5 is scheduling your workout times before you ever start. And Ian's going to talk to you about that.
One of the biggest excuses that people come up with for not exercising or not starting a workout plan is that they don't have time to allocate during the day for exercise. One of the biggest tips I have is that you set aside time, whether that's set an alarm in your phone, blocking out in your calendar, whatever you've got to do to be able to give yourself the time to exercise, whether that's getting up an hour earlier or setting aside an hour after dinner or whatever. That moves us towards talking about customized workout programs specifically made for you. When you're going through an exercise program, we also just talked about SMART goals, and if you're going through a workout, you want to have it tailored towards whatever those goals are. Say we're talking about losing 15 pounds again by your buddy's wedding. You want to make sure that your exercise program is specifically tailored towards that, because that exercise program is going to look different than someone who's trying to, say, build muscle mass by, I don't know, the end of the year. And all these exercise programs look differently, and just going on Google and finding a workout program, it's not going to be tailored towards you and your specific needs. So whenever you're looking at individualized workout programs, you want to make sure they're tailored towards you. And if you have questions about something, make sure you ask, and we'll let you know why you're doing certain things on the days that you're doing them. If you've got a rest day coming up and you're just scratching your head, oh, why am I resting that day? There's usually a reason behind it, not to just bump off the rest day and go into your next exercise day. That's all there for a reason. We can help you go through and give you the reasonings behind certain exercises on certain days or certain rest days.
Absolutely. You want to make sure that you're doing your workout for your physical fitness level, for your daily activity level, and for your goals. So make sure that you have a customized workout for you. Don't do somebody else's workout online. It's not going to get you to where your goal is. So thanks again for joining us for another video. Please subscribe to our channel. Again, we're just starting up, so any traction we can gain would help immensely. Leave a like, leave a comment if you have any questions about any of the stuff that we covered, and we'll see you again in the next video.